Now next, this is the image board which I also instructed you all to do before Valentine's lesson. But as I said, maybe it's too fast. The lesson was too fast. You couldn't catch it. You see, you got to let me know, because I'm a new teacher here. I also need to understand the profile of the student. So without you telling me that I'm too fast, I think that you're so good. That's why I went faster and faster and faster like a train. You see? So you need to help me by letting me know about that. Hey teacher, you are too fast. Can you slow down? I couldn't catch that. You cannot just keep quiet, because in the end, it does not benefit you. You see? In the end, when the marking comes, you didn't do your work, it's a 0 marks. You see? But I did my job of teaching you. So you have a concern, you raise it up, and it is relevant, reasonable, fine, slow down, no issue. So let us come to the main thing, research image board. I remember I did a demonstration, but maybe majority of you didn't catch it. Okay, because previous work you're trying to catch up with it during the lesson. Fine. So let me demo. Well, so what you are required to do to get 7 images of endangered animals and 3 reduce, reuse, recycle icons. Some of you have done that. I think you have shown me, or maybe I am mistaken for another class. So same thing. Alright, get it done beforehand. So majority of you have not done except one of your students, one of your classmate has done it. Okay, so how? By going into this one, which is your safari. So let's say panda is one of the endangered animals. So how do you do it? So let's say you get this one, you click on it, right? Then after that it appear on this bigger one, then you tap it, so it may redirect. Okay, so you click it longer, then after that what will happen, you go to either save to photos, or you do a copy, or you do a share. So save to photos, that means will take up the space in your iPad. Okay, copy is simply to copy, and then you can copy and paste to the OneNote that you want. So let's say we just do a demo. If we do a share, so let's say you go to OneNote, then you will come up with this kind of thing. Then after that, you look at the location on top, location, or to your this page under DNT. So you do a send. So what happened? If you have done this, it will appear somewhere here. So let's say this is where I've opened up, it will come up somewhere here. Yeah, this one. So by right, before that, it comes up with a picture. Okay, so that's why you see the redirect notice. So let me do again. So with this one, okay, so send to OneNote. Yeah, it's supposed to be a picture, because before that was a picture. Alright, so it may send you this, it may send you that, but it doesn't solve your problem, right? Okay, so let me click on this. I think this one worked. So you can do a share, then after that you go to OneNote. Oh, you see, this is the correct one. So send. So where will you get it? This will be the place where you open up, you will send to. The last open up chapter on the page, that will be the place it will send to. So now you witness for yourself. So next, if let's say the other method, I click on this again, and after that I do a save to photos. As I mentioned, if save to photos, is saved into your local folder in the iPad, so it will take out the space. So let me take a look. See, it appears here on the bottom right side. So the other method, which will be same thing, just press on it longer, you do a copy. So now it should have been copied. Go to the OneNote, go to the journal, and in this case you go to the click on the home using your fingers. Then you use your fingers to press for a few seconds. Then after that you see a paste, right? Then you do a paste. So now you see this one. Then you click on the photo. Then with this kind of framing and this cross, then this is where you can relocate and then to make it big or small. So if you put it too big, then the whole thing will become big. So if you use a dark background, then of course the rest of the space will all be black color. Then whatever you put in, very hard to see. So that's why I only use light mode. And don't try to use between light mode and dark mode. Especially come to marking, you don't expect the marker to switch to suit your preference, and then you won't benefit in that way. So only one mode, and the best light mode. So in this case, you get 7 images of endangered animals. Let's say reduce, reuse, recycle. So it should be 3 different ones. So let's say you do the reduce, reuse or recycle. Okay, recycle symbols. Yeah, remember I saw it in the class. So if you look at all this reduce, reuse, recycle, so actually these are quite about the same. But if let's say you look at this Shutterstock on the right side, almost center, you see that these are the few different ones. Okay, so you can perhaps get this one, tap on it, then copy, same thing. Then after that, I use my finger tap. Alright, do a paste, and after that, tap on it. Yeah, so I can resize it. So the other thing, because animals endangered animals are 7 different ones, right? So this one you can understand. So you talk about reduce, reuse, recycle, or you can talk about sustainability or green. See? So sustainability symbols or some other keywords, they help you to get even better ones. So in this case, you may want to get something like very different from just now. Like let's say this is the earth. See? So you copy again. Then after that, you go into this one. Then finger tap. Press for 1-2 seconds. Then it appears. Then after that, see? This one come up. So you want to reduce the size. See? So you get all the pictures done. Alright, so once you get the requirements done, then you will be able to be prepared for the next lesson. Alright.